Today's video is about the heater blower motor resistors. How many of you have gone through this? Go to turn it on to heat. You can hear it start coming out. Go to medium. Go to medium high. Uh-oh. Where'd it go on high? Drop back down, you got it again. On high, nothing. So if you've gone through that same problem, I can show you exactly what it is. Problem is, the blower motor resistor, which is attached to the side of the heater core box. Now there are three different styles, up through 1985, then 86 through 89 with the rounded corners, which is what this one is. And then the late 89 through 91, which looks similar to this but has a different number of pins and has the four corners squared off. So we'll go through the process of taking this out and swapping them out and show you how it's done. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is disconnect the plug. But you got to be kind of careful because these things do get kind of crusty and fall apart. So pull off that piece, and pull off that piece and set them out of the way. And next, you're going to use a 5/16 inch bit to go ahead and remove the two screws on there. Once you have the two screws out, you can just easily grab it, pull it out straight, and that's it. So earlier I mentioned that there were three different styles, and 1989 is a mid-year version, so there were two styles for 89. The style that we have here is rounded on the four corners. The late 89 through 91 has squared off corners on all four sides. And that's it. So now we have the replacement here, and we're going to go ahead and install that. And installation is the exact reverse of when you removed it. So I like to get this thing slid in place and get one of the screws screwed in by hand. If I get my fat hand out of the way, you can see it. And then go ahead and insert the second guy. So I have both of these put in here finger tight. And again, using that 5/16 socket, I'll just give them each a little turn. Tight. And there we go. And then just reconnect your wires. Got your plug back on here. And get in here and reconnect that last little plug. And that's all there is to it. Okay, and now that we have it changed out, let's go ahead and turn on the heat. Might be able to barely hear it on low. Medium is blowing more. Medium high is sounding better than it did before. And now full high, and everything works. So changing that out takes all of about 10 minutes. Most of that is just setup. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at bjsoffroad.com. You can also post comments in the comment section below, and like and subscribe. And thanks.